So you wanted to start earning money by sharing and starting with affiliation of the Amazon. So if you wanted to get started inside there, you might want to be checking out this one is available first of all into your country. So once you have now check out the eligibility of the Amazon affiliate, usually what I do is just to go directly here into Google. Directly into Google, what I just go into the upper side is go for Amazon affiliation marketing, and this will be sending you into the affiliate program of Amazon.com. Here, what you can do, we have the Amazon Associate element that tells you how to get started. What you have, this program basically helps content creators, publishers, bloggers to monetize their actual traffic with millions of products and programs available into Amazon. You can start earning money. How does this actually work? We have 3 simple steps: the sign up, join the actual Amazon Association program, the recommend, where we can share and a specific amount of products depending on the niche that you're going to be working on and your audience, and they have customized linking tools for the largest publishers, individual bloggers, and social media influencers. And basically, when your audience makes a sale out of a product that you have shared with this specific link, you can earn up to 10% of this specific sale for, let's say, for example, commissions from qualifying purchasing programs. Not all of them are available directly in them. So to get started, usually I use the option that says sign up, and here's going to be asking you to enter the sign up for your Amazon account. In this case, I need to sign in directly into TextPress in order to have access to Amazon. Now here I have the creating your Amazon associated account. I needed to enter my actual information, which is going to be appearing here in blurred. Then I needed to enter the website and the mobile application where I will be using the Amazon associated account. Let's say, for example, that I have an actual website here into Google, which is totally for free, by the way. So I use my TextPress BDU's website, which is this one. I copy my published site link, and let's say, for example, I'm going to be using this one. I'm going to be using Instagram, for example. So you go for https instagram.com/ and you enter your Instagram account. You know what I'm going to do is to just go directly to my Instagram account. I'm going to go from my profile. I look out here for copy, and I paste the actual URL. So what I'm going to be doing here is to tell them where I will be promoting my actual elements, right? So I use the option that says next, and any of this traffic sources listed above directly primarily are the children under 13. Let's say that no, and go for confirm. Then I'm going to be using a preferred associate store ID, for example, TextPress products or TextPress stuff. TextPress stuff works for me. Tell us about your content you create. Let's say, for example, we talk a lot about electronics, computer, and daily life for students, teachers, and content creators on YouTube, Instagram, and so which is the following best describe your content. Let's say, for example, that we are content or niche website. How do you hear about us? Let's go for word of mouth. Agree and hit for the finished. What's going to happen here is that we have applied for the Amazon.com associated program, and we have now a unique associated ID, which is this one. So we may occasionally need to provide an additional ID enter, and here what you can do is to enter now your payment and tax information of how we will be, let's say, receiving money. So text me at my number ending on 103. So what I need to do is to enter an actual code in order to finish my actual verification of my account. So what I need to do is to just type the one-time code that would be changing right away, hit for the option that says sign in, and now I am inside the Amazon Associated Central. Basically, that's how you can actually start with the application process and the tax and the payment information. Now, here is how beginners usually have, for example, get banned because they never put affiliation links into the PDF, for example. I needed to complete the text intervention or interview, so I needed to hit into the option that says update, and here what I needed to do is to go for check out the option that says incomplete to complete this actual element of the current United States current status. So In my case, what I need to do is to fill that information in the transfer file and start with the Amazon associated. Now, how do I know that I can start selling and earning money? If I go directly here into Amazon, for example, let's go for Amazon.com. When you are directly here into Amazon.com, it will be appearing into the new upper side in your account, the same account you're going to be using to making purchase, but now it would be appearing, for example, here. Let's go from Amazon.com. We have now the associate here directly get linked. So here we have the store ID, the tracking ID, and the text linked to the created below. That means, for example, if I wanted, for example, let's say to share a game or a product, let's say I'm going to be using this one to affiliate directly to my Instagram account or into my website. So what I need to do is to choose the option that says get linked into the upper side. So I go for tracking ID, this one, and I copy. So I use this specific link for making, let's say, for example, affiliation elements. This is how we can correctly start earning money, and it will be appearing directly inside here. And basically, that's how we can actually get started with that information. So don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Don't forget to check more information about these elements. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, you can let me know into the comments below. So guys, hopefully we can all see you next time.